Today also we are going to discuss maximum and minimum. Find the local maximum and local minimum of the following function. Sixth one. G of x is equal to x by 2 plus 2 by x. G of x is equal to x by 2 plus 2 by x, where x is greater than 0, given condition. So g of x equal to x by 2 plus 2 by x is greater than 0. Find local minima or local maxima of the function. So g dash of x. What about the derivative of x by 2? Derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 2 into derivative of 1 by x, that is minus 1 by x square. Okay, na? Derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 2 into derivative of 1 by x, that is minus 1 by x square. Second derivative, or g dash of x is equal to 0. That means it is 1 by 2 minus 2 by x square is equal to 0. 2 by x square is equal to 1 by 2. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. But here given x is greater than 0. X greater than 0 means only positive values. So here we get x equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore x equal to plus 2 only. Why? Because it is a given condition greater than 0. Positive. So x equal to 2. It is a substituting second order derivative. Okay, na? Maxima or minima depends on second order derivative. Second order derivative positive means minima, negative means maxima. So already we get first derivative, that is 1 by 2 plus 2 into minus 1 by x square. Now we have to find the second order derivative. It is equation 1, equation 2. So 2 implies g dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 divided by x square. What about the second order derivative? Derivative of 1 by 2, it is a constant. Derivative of a constant is 0 minus 2 into derivative of 1 by x square minus 2 divided by x cube. Minus 2 divided by x cube. So g double dash of x is equal to 4 divided by x cube. Okay, na? So this second derivative either positive or negative depends on x. Depends on x. If x is positive, okay, na? X power 3 is also positive. What about x value? Plus 2, na? Actually here we get plus or minus 2, but given condition it is greater than 0, so x equal to plus 2 only. Now at x is equal to 2, second order derivative, it is 4 divided by 2 power 3, it is 4 by 8. That means 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 is greater than 0, na? It is a positive. Positive means it has a minimum. It has minimum. Second derivative positive, so minimum. Negative means maximum. So it has minimum. Next, how to find minimum value? Therefore, local minimum. Local minimum at x is equal to 2 is. So g of x, that is x by 2 plus 2 by x, given function. Okay, na? So at x equal to 2, therefore g of 2 is equal to 2 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2, we get 2. Okay, na? Given function, find the first order derivative. For maxima or minima, first derivative is equal to 0. Then we get x equal to plus or minus 2. But according to condition greater than 0, therefore x equal to plus 2 consider only. Then find the second order derivative, that is 4 by x power 3. Already x value 2. Then g double dash of 2 is equal to 1 by 2. It is a positive. If second derivative positive, it has a minimum. Then minimum value. So when it is minimum at x equal to 2, that x equal to 2, substitute in a given function, we get minimum value. Therefore, local minimum at x equal to 2 is 2. Write down. Okay, write down next question. G of x is equal to seventh one. G of x is equal to 1 divided by x square plus 2. G of x is equal to 1 divided by x square plus 2. Same condition. Find the local minimum, local maximum. So here g of x is equal to 1 divided by x square plus 2. What about its derivative? It is a derivative of 1 by x form. What about the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. But it is not x, it is f of x form. So derivative of 1 by f of x, that is a minus 1 by f of x whole square into f dash of x. Okay, na? So minus 1 divided by x square plus 2 whole square into derivative of x square plus 2, that is 2x plus 0. Derivative of 1 by f of minus 1 by f of x whole square into derivative of f of x, that is derivative of x square plus 2, that is 2x plus 0. So clearly its derivative is minus 2x divided by x square plus 2 whole square. Okay, na? For maximum or minimum, put first derivative is equal to 0. So minus 2x divided by x square plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. By cross multiplication, 2x is equal to 0. Therefore, clearly we get x equal to 0. That x equal to 0 substitute in second order derivative. Why? Because that maxima or minima depends on second order derivative. So here first order derivative is minus 2x divided by x square plus 2 whole square. So again we have to find a derivative. In that derivative, substitute x equal to 0. Okay na? So here where from equation 1 implies g dash of x is equal to minus 2x divided by x square plus 2 whole square. It is a first order derivative. Again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Then g double dash of x. Now it is a derivative of u by v form. What is the formula derivative of u by v? V u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. Okay na? So it is a derivative of u by v. So v u dash. What about v? X square plus 2 whole square into derivative of minus 2x. Okay na? V u dash minus 2x into derivative of x square plus 2 whole square divided by x square plus 2 whole square. Derivative of u by v. So v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. So g double dash of x is equal to x square plus 2 whole square into derivative of minus 2x, that is minus 2 plus 2x into derivative of x square plus 2 whole square. Derivative of x square plus 2 whole square, that is 2 into x square plus 2. Derivative of x square form. Derivative of x square is equal to 2x. So x square plus 2 whole square, it's a derivative. 2 times of x square plus 2 into derivative of x square plus 2, that is 2x. Divided by x square plus 2 whole square, that means whole power of 4. Okay na? X square plus 2 whole square. Derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. Minus of minus 2x is 2x. Derivative of x square plus 2 whole square. 2 times of x square plus 2. Into derivative of x square plus 2, that is 2x. Okay? At x equal to 0. No need to explanation. That expansion will get lengthy. Directly substitute x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, it's a second order derivative. X value 0, na? That means 2 square 4. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. So 2 into 0. 0 into anything value. Total value becomes to 0. Okay, na? At x equal to 0, it is 0 plus 2. 2 square value 4. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Plus 2 into 0. 0. 0 into anything, total is 0. Divided by 0 plus 2 power 4. It is 2 power 4, 16. So g double dash of 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 8 by 16. So second order derivative is negative. So g double dash of 0 is minus 1 by 2. It is negative. So it has local maxima. Local maxima. Okay. Now we have to find the value. How to find value? At x equal to 0, it has a maximum. So that x equal to 0, substitute any given function. Okay, na? So at x equal to 0, local maximum value at x equal to 0. Therefore, g of 0 is equal to 1 divided by 0 plus 2 whole square. Sorry, 0 plus 2, we get 1 by 2. So it has local maxima when at x equal to 0. That x equal to 0, substitute any given function, we get maximum value. Therefore, local maximum at x equal to 0 is 1 by 2. Okay, write down. Write down. Write down firstly. Write down next. Fourth question. Write down main fourth one. Prove that the following functions. Prove that the following functions prove that the following functions do not have maxima or minimum. Prove that the following functions do not have maximum or minimum. First one, f of x is equal to e power x. Okay, prove that the following functions do not have maxima or minimum. Already we know that. How to identify the function having maxima or minima? If second derivative positive means minima, second derivative negative means maxima. If in case second derivative equal to 0, no maxima, no minimum. Okay? So here given function f of x equal to e power x. What about its derivative? Derivative of e power x is equal to e power x. Na? Again second order derivative. Again e power x is equal to e power x. So derivative of e power x is e power x. It is first order derivative. Again derivative also it is e power x. This is second order derivative. Positive or negative depends on x. So first we have to find the x value. We have to find x. How to find x? Consider first derivative equal to 0. For maxima or minima, put first derivative is equal to 0. What about the first derivative? E power x equal to 0. This e power x equal to 0, it is not possible for any value of x. It is not possible for any value of x. In case if you have any doubts, first observe that previous question, that first derivative f dash of x, we get minus 2x divided by x square plus 2 whole square. Previous question, first derivative. Okay, na? So here first derivative is equal to 0. Then minus 2x divided by x square plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. By cross multiplication, minus 2x equal to 0. Then we get x equal to 0. Okay, na? That x equal to 0 satisfy this first derivative. Na? X equal to 0. 0 divided by anything. 0. Na? The function is existent. But here first derivative equal to 0. Consider e power x equal to 0. For any value of x, this e power x equal to 0 is not possible. In case x equal to 0, consider e power 0 value 1 is not equal to 0. Or negative values consider. For example, x value minus 1, e power minus 1, that is 1 by e is equal to 0. Na? So 1 equal to 0, not possible. Or x equal to minus 2, consider e power minus 2, that means 1 by e square. 1 by e square equal to 0, not possible. Or positive values. So any value of x, e power x is not equal to 0. So for maxima or minima, first derivative equal to 0. That means e power x equal to 0. It is not possible for any value of x. So the given function does not have minima or maxima. Already know that graph also we discussed in first class, that is maxima or minima concept, e power x graph, log x, sin x. Already we discussed, first you observe that graph also. Okay, na? E power x equal to 0 for any value of x, it is not possible. Therefore, no maxima, no minima for this function. Okay, na? It is not possible. It is not possible for any value of x, so does not have maximum or minima. Okay, na? First given function e power x, its derivative also e power x, second order derivative also e power x. For maxima or minima, consider first derivative equal to 0. That means e power x equal to 0. So it is not possible. It is not possible for any value of x. So does not have maxima or minima. Okay, na? Write down. Write down. Next. G of x is equal to log x. G of x is equal to log x. Same statement. Prove that the following functions do not have maxima or minima. Okay, now prove that the following functions do not have maxima or minimum. So g of x is equal to log x. What about its first derivative? 1 by x. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. What about its second order derivative? Derivative of 1 by x, it is minus 1 by x square. G double dash of x is equal to minus 1 by x. Okay, next. This second order derivative, positive or negative, depends on x. Okay, so for maxima or minima, put first derivative is equal to 0. It is g dash of x is equal to 0. What about g dash of x? 1 by x. So it is 1 by x is equal to g. 1 by x is equal to 0. So 1 by x is equal to 0, it is also not possible. So for it is not possible for any value of x. X value positive consider or negative consider. Positive values or negative values. Any value consider, it is not equal to 0. Okay, so it is not possible for any value of x. So this function does not have maxima or minima. Okay, derivative of log x 1 by x. Again, derivative is minus 1 by x square. For maxima or minima, first derivative equal to 0. Here, first derivative is 1 by x. This 1 by x is equal to 0. It is not possible for any value of x. By cross multiplication, it is 1 equal to 0. It is not possible. Okay, not possible. So it is not possible for any value of x. So the given function does not have maxima or minima. Okay, write down. Again, write down the next question. Third one. H of x is equal to x power 3 plus x square plus x plus 1. Same statement. Prove that the following functions do not have maxima or minima. So here h of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. We can prove that do not have maxima or minima. What about its first derivative? 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, na? Derivative of x cube 3x square. X square is 2x. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 1 is 0 constant. So again a derivative. It is a derivative of 3x square is 6x. Derivative of 2x is 2. Okay, na? Next, it is the second order derivative is 6x plus 2. If x is 0, positive, x equal to 1, positive, 2, positive, 3, positive. In case x value is negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on, then it will be negative. Okay, na? This is second order derivative, positive or negative depends on x. So first we have to find the value of x. How to find the value of x? For first derivative is equal to 0. For maximum or minimum, put first derivative is equal to 0. What about its first derivative? That is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Clearly it is a quadratic equation, but no factors. No factors. Then how to find the value of x? By using x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So now it is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what about x? Minus b root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Okay, na? So here what about x value? Sorry, x square coefficient value a value 3. X coefficient is b value 2, constant c value 1. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what about minus b? That means minus 2 plus or minus root of b square 4 minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here x equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 12. That means minus 8 divided by 6. So here x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus. Root minus means I. Root 8 value to root 2 divided by 6. So x equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 2 divided by 3. I means imaginary. Na? I means imaginary. Here there is no real values. It has imaginary. Therefore, no minima and no maxima. So it is x has imaginary. So the function do not have maximum or minimum. Okay? In case x is real values means minus infinity to plus infinity, fractions 0, positive, negative, any values. That value substitute in second order derivative. That negative means maximum, positive means minimum. But here x is imaginary values, so it is not possible to substitute any given function. Therefore, x has imaginary, so the function do not have maximum or a minimum. Okay, write down. Okay, right on. Next question, fifth one. Find fifth question. Find absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value of the following functions in the given intervals. Find the absolute maximum value and the absolute minimum value of the following in the given intervals. Previous one, no minima, no maxima. Third question, local minima, local maximum. It is absolute minimum and absolute maximum value of the following functions. First question, f of x is equal to x key, given interval is -2 to +2. X belongs to f of x is equal to x key. X belongs to -2 to +2. Find absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value of the following functions. Okay, na? So given function is x cube. What about its derivative? 3x square. Second order, f double s of x, it is 6x. Okay, na? First put for maxima or minima put first derivative is equal to 0. What about first derivative? 3x square. Clearly x equal to 0. No? That x value in between given intervals, it is in between -2 to +2. Okay, na? F of x cube, its derivative 3x square, second order derivative 6x. For maxima or minima, put first derivative is equal to 0. First derivative is 3x square. So 3x square equal to 0, then x equal to 0. That 0 is in between given intervals, must and should. Now we have to find the values, f of 0 value, f of -2 value, and f of 2 value. Okay, na? So next, that therefore clearly x equal to 0, -2, +2. If x equal to 0, second derivative is 0. No? If x equal to -2, second order derivative is negative. No? If x equal to +2, second order derivative is positive. Okay, na? If x equal to 0, f double dash of 0 is 0. F double dash of -2, it is a -12. F double dash of 2, it is 12. It is general minima, maxima, or local minima, local maxima. But here, find the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value of the following functions in given intervals. Find absolute minimum value and absolute maximum value. Here, it is not maximum and minimum, or local maximum or local minimum. Absolute maxima and absolute minimum values. Okay, na? Find first derivative. First derivative equal to 0. then we get x value. That x value must and should in given intervals. Now f of 0 we have to find. F of minus 2 we have to find. F of 2 also we have to find. Which one is least? That is absolute minimum. And which one is a maximum? It is absolute maximum. Okay, na? But minima or local minima, maxima or local maxima, it is different. Okay, na? How to find a minima or local minima? This x value substitute in second order derivative. This second order derivative is positive means minima, negative means maximum. Here no need to find. Find first order derivative equal to 0, x equal to 0, that value is in between given intervals. Then directly we have to find that x equal to 0 value. That means f of 0, f of minus 2, f of plus 2. Which one is least? It is absolute minima. Which one is a maximum? It is absolute maximum value. Okay, na? Now f of x is equal to xk. Find f of 0 value. It is 0. F of minus 2 value. Minus 2 whole power 3. It is minus 8. And f of plus 2 value. It is 2 power 3 plus 8. Okay, na? So it is 0, minus 8 plus 8. Which one is least? It is minus 8 is least. It is absolute minimum value. It is a plus 8. It is absolute maximum value. Okay, na? Absolute maximum value. It is absolute minimum. It is absolute maximum. Absolute maximum. Maximum value. Here, please don't substitute this 0, minus 2, plus 2 values in second order derivative. Listen carefully. In case x equal to minus 2, substitute in second order derivative. That time here we get a minus 12. If x equal to minus 2, substitute in second order derivative, we get a minus 12. Second order derivative is minus 12. It is a maxima. It is local maxima or maxima. Okay, na? But here absolute minima or absolute maxima, don't substitute in that values in second order derivative. So x equal to 0, minus 2 plus 2. This value substitute in directly given function. Which one is least? That is absolute minima. Which one is maximum? It is absolute maximum. Okay, na? Ready. Yeah, write down next question. Sin x plus cos x. F of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. It is x belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, na? So first order derivative. Derivative of sin is a cos. Derivative of cos x is a minus sin x. F double dash of x, it is a minus sin x minus cos x. For maxima or minima, first derivative equal to 0. What about first derivative? It is cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. This sin and cos both equal, that is the cos x is equal to sin x when at x is equal to pi by 4. Derivative of sin is cos, derivative of cos is minus sin. It is first order derivative. For maximum or minimum, first derivative equal to 0. That means cos x minus sin x equal to 0. Cos x equal to sin x. Sin and cos both are equal at pi by 4. So that is x equal to pi by 4. This pi by 4 is in between given intervals 0 to pi. 0 to 180. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Clearly, what are the values? X equal to 0, pi by 4, pi. So directly find f of 0, f of pi by 4 and f of pi. Which one is least, which one is maximum? So now f of x. Now f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. At x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. What about f of 0? It is sin 0 plus cos 0. Sin 0 value 0, cos 0 value 1. So f of 0 is equal to 1. Next, at x equal to pi by 4. Next one, at x equal to pi by 4. F of pi by 4. That is sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. It is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2. That means 2 by root 2 means root 2. F of pi by 4. Next, pi. At x is equal to pi. That is f of pi is equal to sin pi plus cos pi. So sin pi value 0, cos pi value minus 1. So f of pi is equal to minus 1. So we get three values. F of 0 is 1. F of pi by 4 is root 2. F of pi is minus 1. F of 0, 1. F of pi by 4 root 2. F of pi is minus 1. So this 1 root 2 minus 1. It is the least value, no? It is 1 point, no? It is maximum. It is absolute maximum value. It is absolute minimum value. It is absolute maximum, absolute maximum value. It is absolute minimum value. Absolute minimum value. Okay, na? Write down.